impact. Shelter in place. Dawn, IBA. IDF impact. Shelter in place. Dawn, IBA. IDF impact. Shelter in place. Dawn, IBA.
Copy. Copy, India 2.
Roger, sir. I did not copy last. Can you repeat it?
I knew they was going to be attacking us, man.
India 3 control. Medical's en route at this time.
Copy. We're going to be on the east side of Bravo ramp. Rendering first aid at this time.
Copy. India 2 control.
Yo, me,
Go ahead.
and Cook is here.
Right, sir. I need you to sweep up to Bravo ramp, Charlie taxiway area, and cordon that off, only letting in medical personnel and other personnel that are important to getting wounded out.
Hey, Prod.
Good copy.
I think somebody might got hurt.
India 3 control. Medical's going through gate 19 at this time.
Ambulances and stuff, man.
Copy.
On SF2.
India 2 control, be advised, stand 2 due to Hail Mary. How copies?
Control 4, 25%.
Copy. India 2 control.
Go ahead.
Did you copy last transmission?
Control this India 2. I copy.
Control outpost controls, control outpost controls. Be advised, if you haven't done so at this time, don all proper PPE. India 5 control.
Send it.
Roger, ma'am. I need you to take up 6's area. Sweep for secondary. India 6 control.
Go ahead.
Roger, sir. I need you en route to CMU 9. See if you can get in contact with the hotel units and make 100% accountability. Have them call into this office.
Hey, firm. Who's the NCO?
Control Force 1, could see this going to be Mr. Brown, room 121, not copy. Copy 6.
I copy Brown and Defender Mitchell.
Roger that. And our off element supervisor is ADD.
That's a good copy. Control anyone.
Good. Anyone, control, go with your message. Go.
Control 23, be advised, fire and medical is on scene.
Copy, Tango.
Impact. Shelter in place. Dawn, IBA. IDF impact. Shelter in place.
Control 6's area is 25.
Copy.
Control anyone. I have personnel that report the point of origin from the northwest side of the base.
Copy.
Control 4 100%. Control Enforcer 1, can I get a location? India 2.
India 2 to Charlie taxiway at the TCP, sir. We're not letting anybody in or out of that area. How copy?
Copy. Give me the location on that.
Charlie taxiway in between Charlie ramp and Bravo ramp, sir. Adjacent to Golf 11. Golf 19 control, I need you to lock down your gate. Golf 18, I need you to lock down your gate. How copy?
Copy, sir.
Copy.
India 3 control.
Send it.
Number of injured.
1.
Roger, 1 injured. How many Alpha Charlies affected?
Just the one parked at Bravo 8. Fire chief's on scene, it could be Chief Nair.
Copy.
Control 6 is Aries 50%.
Control 6, we're 100% on our brake element. Staying by for get ready, we'll be en route. Copy. Control to all postal patrols. Control all postal patrols. All ECPs, if there are personnel at your location, have them go to cover immediately. I say again, have personnel standing around at your gate go to cover immediately. No need to acknowledge. Control out.
IDF impact, shelter in place, Dawn IBA. IDF impact, shelter in place, Dawn IBA. IDF impact, shelter in place, Dawn IBA.
India 3, control.
Send it.
Roger, sir. Was that a military aircraft or contract? And was that a military or civilian personnel hit?
It's going to be contract aircraft, military personnel, Army type.
Copy. Control 6. Go ahead. Roger, sir. The night element is accounted for with the exception of Defender Brown. How copy? Unknown at location. Copy. Control 6.
Roger, where's the RV point for our hotel unit?
You can take them to Alt Box.
Copy.
Stand by.
Control, Golf 1-1.
India 6, control. Bring them up here.
That's good copy, we'll do, sir. Control, Golf 1-1. I have the site manager for CJ Soda, whose plans are in the area that was impacted. He's requesting interest on the flight line.
Restricted area badge, or is it pertinent that he get for those?
He has a restricted area badge.
Roger, he's not going to get past Charlie Taxiway, so if he wants to get through to get the plans and come right back, he can do so. I say again, though, he's not going to get past Charlie Taxiway. How copy 11? Golf 1-1, control. Golf 1-1, Golf 1-1, control.
Go ahead, control.
Roger, what's the status of that individual? Is he going fast or not?
That's a negative. An employee from the area came out to talk to him.
Copy. I would just make a safe assumption saying that he is probably going to have to go past Charlie Taxiway because we got it cordoned off right now. He's not going to get past.
Control, course 1.
Go ahead.
Where are we at on sweeps right now?
Copy. India 3 still needs to do their sweeps, but they're helping out at the POI. India 2 is complete with their sweep. India 1 is helping out with the POI status. India 5 is 75%, and India 4 is completely done. How copy?
That's a good copy. I'm on scene with India 3. Enforcer 2 is going to take care of 3 sweeps. India 3 is going to be held up for a bit.
Copy. India 3 control. Sit rep.
Should they have loaded the individual onto the ambulance, get ready to transfer same to Craig Hospital? How copy?
Copy.
Control 6 varies 100%.
Control India 3, ambulance has left, however we still have the ground emergency with fuel leak.
Copy. If you would like to drop off your Alpha at one side of Bravo, cordon off that area. Get with Fire Chief, see how big he wants the cordon. Also, India 2 should be at Charlie Taxiway, being a CCP right now.
Alright, copy. I already spoke to the chief. He said just block off all Bravo ramp. And I believe India 1 is at north side of Bravo.
Copy. That'll work. Tango.
Control enforcement.
Go ahead, sir.
You got any word on where the park teams are at right now?
Control enforcer 2.
Go ahead, sir.
Be at 50% for India 2's area. India 1 this area.
Copy. Enforcer 2, control.
Send it.
India 2 sweeps are complete. India 1's area and India 3's area are incomplete. How copy?
Copy. We show India 1's 100%. We start in India 3 area. Control enforcer 2.
Well, sir.
75% on India 3's area.
Cover that. Tango, sir.
Control this enforcer 1.
Well, sir.
Park Fire Chief, we can go ahead and shrink this cordon down now. We'll bring it in to the immediate area around the impact site. How copy?
How copy, India 1?
Copy.
How copy, India 2?
Good copy.
Golf 18, control. Golf 18, control. Golf 18, control.
Control D5, I'll go relay message, send it.
Copy, ma'am. Does he have anything to report suspicious activity? And or can you make sure of that?
Roger, I just went through saying do not say anything of that nature. How copy?
Copy. You didn't notice anything suspicious out there?
That's negative.
Copy. India 3, control.
Send it.
EOD's been dispatched. Let us know when he gets on scene. How copy?
Copy.
Enforcer 1, control.
Go ahead.
Roger. Roger, I've called PMO. They were more than happy to break away, although they were dispatched by JDOC to remain on scene to secure the scene and other duties. That's quoted off my mark. I'll copy.
Hey, firm. Good copy.
Control D5, I just confirmed with Golf 1-8, nothing suspicious. How copy?
Copy. While doing sweeps, ma'am, you didn't see any other POI or no one said anything to you?
That's negative.
Copy.
Control Enforcer 2, India 3 area, 100%.
Copy.
Control Enforcer 2, what's the status of Echo Sweeps?
We're 100%. Also, MOX 100%, and airfield ops has been resumed. I'll copy.
Copy that, take off.
Control to all ECPs, control to all ECPs. That does not mean unlock down your gates. I say again, do not unlock your gates. Airfield ops have been resumed, but do not unblock your gates.
Control India 3, EOD is on scene. I'll copy control.
Copy that, thank you, sir. India 3, make sure you grab the EOD's pertinent information after they're done, please.
Copy. Copy E7 type, last name Wiley, Whiskey, Yankee, Lima, Yankee, Echo, first name Stewart, common spelling. There. E1 personnel cop. Anyone copies?
I'll copy too.
I've got 2 and 3 with me. They copy.
Thank you. India 5 control.
Send it.
RTS, please.
Copy route.
clear. Emergency terminated. Resume operations or initiate recovery. Repeat, all clear.